Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayan guys, if you can see, making my bloody vegetable smoothie juice guys today. So I show you I have the cucumber, I have the celery, the dragon fruit, and half of beetroot guys. Kaya that's why my smoothie juice guys is super bloody, super red color my smoothie juice, and I mix it with my organic guava juice with 0% no sugar guys ang aking juice na aking imimix sa aking gagawing smoothie today. Ayan guys, so piniprepare ko na yung aking mga ingredients. As my ingredients guys is very simple. You can see that you can buy different kind of vegetables in a wet market or the supermarket, but I suggest you guys you buy to the wet market is a little cheaper, and then you buy the fruits and the fruit stand, and then you can choose the fresh one guys. Ayan, so I'm trying to fill all the wash and clean all the ingredients of my smoothie guys, but that's for my breakfast, and I can drink that in my snack also if I want. Ayan guys, because I'm not really always eating any heavy meals every day guys. So if you can see, I'm always so guys, I'm starting to uh, grain my beetroot. Ayan, kasi guys, this is the way how to make my smoothie, because to get the juicy juice from the vegetable and fruits, because I don't have the a juicer machine. So it's easy that in a blender, but you need to cut a small pieces guys, so it's easy to blend. And then i-drain natin guys, so I wanna drain it and get the juice from the vegetables and the fruits guys. Ayan, and also I wanna cut the celery, this size only that it can easy to mix in a blender, because my boss don't have any juicer machine guys, so I want to drink the juices, so I try my best to make my own fresh juice guys. Ayan, it's very healthy, and a lot of the vitamins and a lot of antioxidants to the body, and you can help this one for your skin, glow the skin, for your beauty also guys. If you want more beauty and more glow your skin, no sagging, no wrinkles guys, and you're always looking young if you always eating this kind a smoothie, or you can cook the vegetables. Yeah, and that's why guys, I'm always trying my best, always eating vegetables and more fruits every day. It's very healthy to our body guys, especially me. I'm always do the exercise, and I'm always do the diet, so I'm always trying my best guys to do the how me to make the simple but it's very healthy food for my own. Ayan, so I'm always healthy my body, and stay fit and healthy. Ayan, so mabagal ang inyong lola. It's very slowly to cutting the celery, because you need to peel the hard skin from the celery. You need to do the like that. If you can see, it's what I'm doing. Ayan guys, so if you are not subscribed yet on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my this channel guys, Geraldine's Travels Life. Ayan guys, and don't forget to like and you just comment guys on my video if you want to comment guys in the section below, and you can share this vlog if you want guys. And if you want to join in my membership fee guys is available there on my YouTube channel. You can push the touch the button of join membership fee. Ayan, maliit lang naman yan guys, not really uh, much money from the membership fee guys. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, to support my channel. Ayan. So, I'm still chopping all the ingredients of my smoothie. Ayan. I mix it together with the cucumber and the celery for the first blend because that one is not easy to blend. It's too hard. So, I need to mix my organic guava juices to that vegetable so I can blend easily and I can drain it. I can take the juice. And the second time I need to mix with the banana and then the dragon fruit, the smooth one, so it's very easy to ayan, I'll show you is how to blend my smoothie. Let's go, guys. Ayan. So I want to mix, guys, my guava juice, the organic I buy and the supermarket. This is 0%, no sugar. So it's very delicious. Yeah, no sugar. You always eating the food, guys, is low of sugar and no sugar, much better. So anyway, guys, I blend my first blend the cucumber and the celery first. And then, guys, you can see I blend it. And yeah, it's very good and looks it's yummy and healthy. So and guys, so I'm starting to drain all the juices on what is that called? Ayan. And then I wanna take all the juice and separately and throw away the the dried one. What is that called? I forget. And guys, and I'm trying to take all the juices and I want to put it back on the blender again and I want to mix with the dragon fruit and the banana and I mix it with the whole grain oatmeal, guys, for my smoothie. It's very healthy, very delicious, no sugar in that, guys. So it's now in the blender again. So I want to blend the banana and the dragon fruit and my oatmeal, guys. I mix also there on my smoothie. Ayan. So after, guys, so before I blend the last blend, I want to clean up all the utensils, the chopper and the knife and the chopping board, and clean up all the sink before I blend the last one, guys. Ayan. So this is the life, guys, in Hong Kong. Ayan. So, hindi ko na, guys pinakita sa show. I can't show you the how me to blend all over. And now I finished the blender. So, I transfer in my container jar. I get the juices too many. Ayan, so many. One blender. Ayan. So, wanna put in the fridge. And then I wanna drink one glass of that. And ayan, so many. I'm making too much. Ayan. But I'm not drink that for one time, guys. I drink that for a couple of days. Ayan. That's for my snacks and for my breakfast. It's so very healthy and so bloody, guys, because it's so red in color because of the dragon fruit and the beetroot, guys. That's why the color is red. Ayan. You never see you cannot see the cucumber color there and the celery there because of the beetroots and the ayan. She looks happy to making a new uh ingredients of my smoothie. Taking pictures. Oh my god. So looks delicious and red color. That's why I called bloody smoothie juice. So this way, guys, so the rest of my smoothie, so I want to try to drink if it's good to taste or not. Ayan. So I think I have 4 cups. Ayan, 4 jar. Ayan, guys. And I want to drink 1 cup of that. It's super delicious, super healthy. It's easy to digest. To digest in the stomach, guys. It's very to digest in the stomach. And ayan, and very healthy. Stay fit and you can look young and help you to skin glowing, skin moisturize your skin, antioxidants for the body, and more beautiful a younger ever after. Oh my god. If you want to look young, guys, so you want to try this smoothie juice, guys, in yourself. So it's very healthy and try your own, guys. Ayan, it looks yummy, guys. That time I tasted, and no sugar. So I get the sweetness from the dragon fruit and banana. Ayan. And guys, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye!